Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a game-changing technology that's revolutionizing the financial world. Blockchain. It's transforming everything about finance. We're talking banking, payments, investments, even security. From making your transactions faster and cheaper to making them more secure, to opening up entirely new ways to invest and grow your wealth. This is the future of finance, and it's happening right now. So if you're ready to level up your financial game and get ahead of the curve, stick around till the end. And of course, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on finance and online earning. Alright, let's start with the basics. What is blockchain? In simple terms, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. Imagine a digital spreadsheet that's duplicated thousands of times across a network of computers. Every time a transaction occurs, it's recorded on every single copy of that spreadsheet at the same time. This means transactions are secure, transparent, and almost impossible to alter. Unlike traditional banks that rely on central authorities to verify transactions, blockchain works through a network of users who validate and store data collectively. This eliminates the need for middlemen like banks, which can often slow down transactions and charge hefty fees. First up, let's talk about banks. Traditional banking systems are slow, expensive, and heavily controlled by centralized institutions. When you send money abroad, it takes days and incurs high fees due to multiple intermediaries. But with blockchain, cross-border transactions can be completed within minutes at a fraction of the cost. Companies like Ripple and Stellar are already using blockchain to facilitate instant payments with minimal fees. Imagine sending money to a friend in another country without waiting for banks to process the transaction. Blockchain makes this possible. Blockchain eliminates fraud by keeping all transaction records transparent and unchangeable. No more hidden charges or unauthorized modifications. This level of transparency and security is a game changer for the financial industry. Now let's talk about one of the most revolutionary aspects of blockchain smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with terms written directly into the code. Think of it like a vending machine, but for agreements. You put in your money, you select what you want, and the machine automatically gives it to you. Smart contracts work the same way. They automatically execute when certain conditions are met, eliminating the need for third parties like lawyers or banks. This removes human error and speeds up the entire process. Smart contracts are all about efficiency and transparency, which is exactly what we need in the world of finance. Now, let's talk about something that's shaking up the entire financial industry. DeFi, short for Decentralized Finance. DeFi is all about removing banks and intermediaries from financial transactions altogether. Instead of relying on a bank to lend money, platforms like Aave and Compound allow users to borrow and lend directly through blockchain. This not only makes transactions faster, but also opens up financial opportunities to people who don't have access to traditional banking services. With DeFi, you can earn interest on your savings, trade assets, or even take out loans, all without needing approval from a central authority. It's finance made truly global and accessible. Let's face it, one of the biggest concerns in finance is fraud. Every year, millions of people lose money due to cyberattacks, identity theft, and unauthorized transactions. Since blockchain transactions are encrypted and recorded on multiple computers, hacking becomes nearly impossible. Even if one record is altered, the entire network would detect the inconsistency, making fraud extremely difficult. This is why many financial institutions are adopting blockchain to improve security and build trust with their customers. It's the most secure way to store and transfer value that we have today. Now let's talk about how blockchain is changing the way we invest. Right now, buying stocks and bonds involves brokers, clearing houses, and long settlement periods. But with blockchain, asset trading can become instantaneous. Imagine buying a stock and having it show up in your portfolio seconds later. Security tokens are a great example of this. These are digital shares of real-world assets that can be bought and sold directly on blockchain platforms. Blockchain is democratizing finance and giving everyone a chance to participate in the markets. Now let's talk about something that's going to have a major impact on the future of money: central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Governments around the world are exploring digital versions of their currencies, using blockchain to issue, track, and manage money more efficiently. CBDCs have the potential to revolutionize the way we use money. They could reduce costs, improve transaction speeds, and even help fight money laundering. However, CBDCs also raise concerns about privacy and government control. Will governments be able to track every transaction we make? It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but it's something we need to be aware of as blockchain technology continues to evolve. Blockchain is revolutionizing financial services, and we're just getting started. Whether it's payments, loans, investments, or security, this technology is shaping the future of money as we know it. It's creating a more efficient, transparent, and accessible financial system for everyone. What do you think? Will blockchain completely replace traditional banking, or will both systems exist together? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future finance content. See you in the next video.